Hi, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you find and replace feature. By my opinion, one of my favorite features when I need to care about multiple components located in the library and replacing them with another component. A practical example that would be if I'm having a machine that is using the HSK and I would like to replace the holders to the C5 or BT40, how am I going to do that? So let me show you what are necessary steps and where this feature is located. So in this case, I'm going to just remove all of these. So let's imagine that I have here this holder, and I'm going to copy this assembly multiple times. Now, one tool can be end mill, another can be any other type. I can go to the bullnose mill, for example. This one can be face mill, and etc. Now, all of these assemblies are using the same holders, and now I want to replace them. I don't want to do that manually because I can have a lot of tools here and a lot of components, so I would like to do that very efficiently. To do that, you can access and use this find and replace, and this feature is located on the right-click option when you click on the magazine. You can click it on the magazine or on the revolver. You will find this feature here. I'll click over here and just find and replace, and this window will pop up. The first, I need to select what kind of component type I'm looking for. In this case, it's adapters and holders, but I can also select the shanks, fixtures, cutters, and additive components. So I'm going to stick to the adapters and holders, and I can perform two types of search. Either the simple, which is in most of the cases, it just works just fine. But if you want, you can also go to the advanced search method. In this video, I'm going to use just a simple search, and I'm going to here type just HSK. You don't need to be very specific. Just go with a simple search and go click over here. Now, once this is selected, you can see that 7 components has been found in this magazine. Now I can select with what component I would like those to be replaced with. I have two options, either to be replaced or I can also remove them. So I can remove all of these selected 7 components, and I can remove all or specific one. In this case, I want to replace them, and I can select the tool components library and then specific component. So I'm going to repeat the whole process. So just select the library. I'm going to locate it, the one that I like. So for example, let's go with this. Fine. Once I like this component, just hit the green check mark. You'll see select the tool component library name and also with what component. Now from here, you can just manually select maybe particular holders. Maybe you don't want to replace all of them. That you will do by find next, because currently now this one is selected, but I can go find next and then this will be selected. Find, this will be selected. Then I can replace this with this component, or I can just simply click replace all. And within the single click, all of my assemblies are now adjusted. Not this one, but this one looks good. And this is how you can use this feature. Hope you like it.